back to Sai Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke nge-celebrity lethu ke uSive Mabuya Bukane. Congratulations are in order for her and her hubby uAphiwe after beveze ke ukuthi ke they are expecting their first child together. Taking to her Instagram timeline on Tuesday, uSive wasivezela bakithi ukuthi cha kukhona ke umuntu ke okhulayo lapha kuyena ke eswini. Wayese ke etshela ama friends akhe ukuthi ke bums out the bag. Thank you for your kindness. We couldn't be happier. She captioned the post. uSive's fans spotted her ukuthi ke ngazi ukuthi cha impela ukhulelwe lapha ke ukushaka ilembe season 2. Her co-star Hope Mbele was among the celebrities who were excited to finally have the news shared publicly. The way I wanted to jump when I saw you at the premiere, but I was like, let me wait until she announces. So happy for you, my love. Congratulations, mama, she said. uSive guys been uAphiwe bashada ke ngoMeyi 2022. Kusho ukuthi ke 2022, 23, 24, 25 impela they're almost like 3 years ke beshadile. The actress revealed her long-time partner paid lobola when sharing moment from her big day. uSive took to her timeline saying she had known uAphiwe for 14 years when they decided to take their relationship to the next level ke ngoMeyi. But ke indaba ezimnandi ukuthi bakithi ke sebezoba ke nosana lwabo, and wasengazuthi vele vele use toward but nime ngashonga ukuthi ke how far. Guys, we are so happy for her. Ngimbonile ke yazi lapha kushaka ilembe ukuthi hawu uSive weseyashintsha nje la ebusweni ngangamthola nje kahle, but ke muhle guys, muhle, and ke siyababongela kakhulu. Yeah, bakithi hayi azizingane. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.